Don't forget to subscribe. Peppa Pig, my daddy. My name is Peppa, and this book is all about my daddy. He is the best daddy in the whole wide world, and the funniest. My daddy has an extremely serious job, but I don't think he is very serious at all. My daddy reads about very important matters, but I know that bedtime stories are his favorite. My daddy loves taking us on trips to the beach, especially when I bury him in the sand. My daddy is always extremely helpful and very, very brave. But sometimes I think he's just a teeny tiny bit clumsy. My daddy is very good at planning household jobs, but he doesn't seem to be that good at doing them. My daddy says he likes to keep in shape all the time, but his favorite exercise is lifting the remote control. My daddy says he loves his little red car so very, very much. But I know he loves us more than anything in the whole wide world. Happy Father's Day! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Peppa Pig stories, check out my Peppa Pig playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.